CapCut new AI video maker is insane and is free. You can create long form video, you can create short video. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step on how to do it. It's very easy, simple, anyone can do it. Beginner friendly. I'm going to show you step by step on how to do this. Let's dive in. First thing I want to show you, this video I created with this CapCut free AI video maker. Let me show you the video. Let me play this video just a bit. You can see, and it take me like 5 minutes or 10 minutes max to create this video. Let me play this video.
Starting a YouTube channel can be daunting and overwhelming for beginners. Many people want to start a YouTube channel, but don't know where to start. If you have ever thought of starting a YouTube channel, or even if you were just curious about it, then this video is for you. In this video, we will be discussing 5 things you should know before starting a YouTube channel.
Okay, so here are the steps on how to create a long form video using CapCut free AI video maker. So first thing first, I want you to go to Google. If you haven't got CapCut desktop, go to Google, type CapCut desktop, and there it is, and you click this one. It will come in your computer and you can download in your computer. Once you've done that, come back to your CapCut, which is going to be, this is going to be your dashboard here. You're going to see this like this, and once you're here, we are going to create a free AI video maker. So click this one. Now once you're here, okay, once you're here, as you can see, there's a lot of things you can create: instant AI video, brainstorm with AI, avatar video, match media to script in one clip. I'm going to do all these things. I'll do this in my other video, but today, and you can see, look, I want to show you this template for short video. These are perfect for YouTube short. These are perfect for TikTok and Instagram reads. I'll do another video to show you how you can create a short using this template. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a long form video using CapCut AI video maker. So once you're here, click new project. This one will pop up. So once this one will pop up, you go to option here. You can enter your script, or you can create one with AI. You can enter your script. If you create a script with ChatGPT or DeepSeek, you can come here and create. You can paste your script here, and this AI is going to create a video for you. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly you can do. You don't need ChatGPT. You can do everything in here. So we're going to create one with AI. So come on this side here, click a script. So we need to have a topic and you have key point. Okay, so our topic, this is going to be our topic here. We want this AI to create a video of 5 things you should know before starting your YouTube channel. Okay, and now key point is up to you. You can put, you're going to tell this AI what do you want in this video. You can include our key point here. Now here I tell AI, create an engaging video based on 5 interesting things you should know before starting your YouTube channel. Okay, this is the key point for this video. Now once you finish here, come down here, duration. How long do you want your video to be? 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, even 10 minutes. They can create up to 10 minutes script and video for you. So in this tutorial, we're going to choose like 3 minutes here for the purpose of this video. Now here, mimic writing style. This is all about your channel brand. Like if you go your specific brand in your channel, specific layout of your video you usually create. So you want this one, you can mimic, you can match. This video is going to create, you can match with your brand or the style of your video you do. So you can go and take your script and come and paste here, and this AI is going to match this video, new video, with your brand or your style of video. Now in this video, we're not going to do that. And there's another one here, more requirement. More requirement. Let me put here. I type here. Make sure that the first 10 seconds, which is hooks, are as engaged and intrigue as possible. So once you've done this, you need to click create. Okay, so click create, and this AI is going to start to create a script for us. It's going to start to create a script for us. Let's give a few minutes. There, the script is finished. The script is finished. So you can come here and look and read your script. If you want to change something, you can change. If you want to add something, you can add. You just click like this and change or add anything you want. Okay, so once we finish this step, the next step, we want to add voiceover. We want someone or to come and read our script. So we come here to scenes. Here there's the two options. You can use an avatar. You can use any avatar here, or you can use a voice. We want to use a voice, the purpose for this video, this tutorial. So come here and try each of these.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Right.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
So you can try any of this and see which one you want. You can create. You can read your script. It depends how you want, how you feel about your brand and all those stuff. So in this tutorial, we're going to choose this one here. This one. Once we choose this one, click apply all. So once you apply, it's going to start to read your script. Let's give few minutes. Right, you can see here voiceover created. So now all our script is already been read. Let's play a bit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Okay, so you see that is our script now. Is already AI. This AI is already read our script. Now the next step we want to do, we want to go to media. So we want to have our video. At the moment it's just blank. We want to have some media, want some image which is going to match with our script. So here you go 3 options. The first option is generate AI media. So you're asking CapCut AI so they can generate image or video which is going to match each script here. Another option is match your own media. So if you already have your own specific image and or video you want to add, you can come here and add yourself. Come here and click here and you add those image. And if another option is match stock media. So this one is you ask AI, CapCut AI to match image or video which they have in stock according to your script. So in this video we're going to click this one. We want they can match the image for us. So we click here, match, and it's going to start to match image or video for each script here. Okay, now it's already matched all the image in our script. So now our video will look nice. Now all this image here is already created for us. Now the next things we need to do, we see here this text here, they look a bit boring. Let's change this. We come here to elements. Let's add elements. You come here. I like to choose this one here. Right, so if we click here, it's going to show. Just give a few minutes. And because this one is pro, if you are not pro, you still can use this. There is some of these are free use. For free, you see this one is free, so you can look around, go around and check. There's a load of them. Okay, you can choose one and you can choose which one do you want. Yeah, so that is a video. That is your video, your long form video. You can start this. This is perfect for anyone who wants to start the faceless YouTube channel. You don't want to show your face. This is perfect. And if you need help to start your YouTube channel, please let me know down below. I'm more than happy to help you. And once you finish here like this, now click here export, and your video is going to be exported in your computer and is going to be ready for you to be used. Here, click here export. Your video is going to be exported and is going to be ready to use you. If this video was useful for you, please subscribe, share, and if you got any questions, please leave them down below this video. And if you still need help, I'm more than happy to help each and every one of you. All the information are in the description below. Get in touch, and thank you. See you in the next video.